Hi, welcome to the Bizistech channel. Today the topic under discussion is why the listing on Amazon gets suppressed, and for this it is important to have understanding on the term suppressed. So in Amazon, listing gets suppressed when it is believed to be in violation of any marketplace guidelines. So in that situation, your listing will not appear on Amazon search result because it will not be active. So the next question is, why is my Amazon listing suppressed? There is not a single reason to stick on to figure out the reason for the suppressed listing because there are many to be addressed. Let's talk about the most common reasons for the suppressed listings, and the first one in the list is main image. The main image is the most important feature to consider while creating the listing. Simply not updating the main image is the leading cause for the suppressed listing, or we can say if the main image is violating Amazon policies. For example, the background is not white, or there is any text on the main image, or the resolutions are not correct, they may lead to a suppressed listing. So avoid these factors to make the listing active. If you talk in the reasons, the second in the list is missing description. Description is the most significant part to consider while the listing creation. And because listing descriptions describe the product in detail, and it educates the buyer about the product they are going to purchase. If the description is missing, the listing will be suppressed. So make sure to include a description to make the listing active. And in the reasons, the third one in the list is promotional words in the title. According to the guidelines of Amazon, in any title, Amazon will not let you use any of the promotional keyword in the title. For example, if you use free shipping or you use 100% quality guaranteed, Amazon will not allow to use it. In detail, we can say that if the data in the backend conflicts, like size or brand, or in other simple words, we can say minor issues regarding listing errors occurs, and that issues can be resolved at that time from the backend. These all issues will lead to the suppressed listing. Now let's move to the Amazon Seller Central and see where the suppressed listing appears and how we can resolve it. Now here we are in Amazon Seller Central, and you can see the inventory tab. We click on the inventory tab, and first option is manage inventory. We will go in the manage inventory, and we will see on the first line parallel to listing tools, we can see it is written search suppressed and inactive listing. If we click on that tab, we will go to the page where we can see the search suppressed listings and the listing which are inactive on that account. And wait for 1 minute while page is loading. And now here we are on the page where we can see the search suppressed listings and inactive listings. You can see out of stock and then detail page removed. Here is the listing, and we can see its title and then ASIN and then SKU, and the reason is the detail page removed. Let's see while going in the backend and see why its detail page is removed. Let me copy the SKU, and then we are again in the manage inventory tab, search our SKU, and here its status is coming detail page removed. We will edit that listing, and we'll see why it is search suppressed. Okay, on coming in the backend, we see that offer tab is okay, and now we will move to the images tab. And when we go to the images, we see that the main image is missing. So we got the reason why our listing is suppressed. So we have to upload the main image, and we will select our image and then open it. And now after uploading the main image, we will save our listing, and that's it. Yeah, here after saving 15-minute notification is coming, which means after 15 minutes our listing will be updated and it will be removed from the search suppressed listing, which means that our listing will be active to sale. So thank you very much for watching me. I hope all your concerns regarding suppressed listings will be resolved now. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe to our channel, and keep watching Bizistech channel for the more videos. Thank you very much.